You're not supposed to just spit it out, honey. You'll finally get him food. Isn't that funny? No, isn't that funny? Ready? Swallow. Swallow, you got food in your mouth. Oh. Some more, I guess, of this nice, nasty, watery, gross stuff. I think the spoon is too big. We gotta get a... This spoon can't be too big, it's teeny tiny. So move your face. I know you don't know how to do the spoon yet. Hey, no. You've been staring at our food for weeks. Now you're not gonna have it? Come on. You're supposed to swallow it. This isn't going so well. This isn't going so well, huh? How are you supposed to put this in your mouth? Come on. Ready? Dr. Flynn said don't get discouraged if you just keep spitting it out too, just to keep trying. She definitely is going to need a bath after this. She'll eventually learn that it's good. Alright, so we'll be on bib number 4 by the end of the night. You're gross. You are gross.